Welcome to DerivNavigatorAcademy. In this video, I'll be showing you the under 8 phone strategy, okay? I'll be doing this strategy with a phone because I've been previously using a computer and I know it has been quite a challenge to a lot of people who are using phones. Now, when you're using a phone, take these things into fact. The first thing, ensure you trade awareness volatility, as I've said in all other under 8 videos. And then ensure you use one tick and use a stake and use don't use a low stake. I realized this quite a while ago. When you use quite a low stake in under 8, it will become very difficult for you to make any tangible profit. Okay, so risk a bit of your account, but implement these strategies to ensure you don't blow it. All right. Now, another thing. Now, these are the conditions for you to actually place a trade. Ensure the green circle, the green number and the red number are both below 8. All right, are both below 8, and ensure the green number is either on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 or 0. I repeat, ensure the green number is either on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 or 0. All right, now once those conditions are satisfied, now we come and look at the percentages. Ensure 8 and 9 are both below 10. That is the only requirement. Ensure 8 and 9 are both below 10%, because them being below 10% signifies they are weak. All right, because when they are above 10% or 11%, it shows that the market is actually on that side and you might actually incur losses, and one loss in under 8 is very costly. Okay, actually say the profit ratio in under 8 is very high, but the losses are very costly, so you must be very wise when trading it. All right, so ensure 8 and 9 are both below 10%. And now the entry point, I'll be showing you this in a few. Now, the first of all, I want us to find a market that satisfies those conditions. First of all, volatility 100 1S is not quite favorable to us, so we'll just come here and shift and look for another volatility. Okay, let us look at volatility 25 1S and see how it is faring. Okay, let us look. Now, as you can see, 1S, 8 and 9 are both above 10%, which is wrong. But then, guys, if these conditions are not met, don't trade it. If you ignore one of them, you will incur a loss. And I'm telling you, a loss in under 8, you need about 11 runs to recover a loss. So you can see how costly that is. Okay? Yeah, you can see how costly it can become to you. Now let us look at volatility 51S. All right. 51S is a perfect one. But yeah, it is perfect because even though the red circle, the red number is at 9, they are both below 10%, which is very beautiful, which is very nice. This is actually a very good under 8 market. As you can see, the green number is at 3, the red number is at 9. All right, but both 9 and 8 are below 10%, which is very nice. Now, for this market, this is how you trade it. Okay, below volatility 51S, you can see there are some changing numbers. All right, those that last digit number that is changing is the one that you will use. We will wait for it to turn to 9 and then we press under. I repeat, we will wait for it to turn to 9 or to turn to 9 and 8 and then we press under. Very quickly, all right? Now, let us get into it. As you can see, so let us wait and see and wait for it to turn to 9. Okay, we missed that one, so let's be very fast. Let's start 5, 0, 6, 9. Okay, you have to be quick. Ensure you press 9 immediately, it touches it. All right, okay, that is a loss because, guys, for those who noticed, we pressed under when 9 had already passed. That is why I'm saying be quick. Not being quick will cost you, and it will cost you greatly. Now, as you can see, if I was a trader, now I would require about 11 runs to recover this, or I recover with under 5, which is it's a very risky method, and I do not encourage that method. All right, so let us come here. Okay, trading with a phone is usually very stressful. That is why I don't quite encourage it to a lot of traders. Okay, now let us try again. Now we'll have to be very cautious. Now, if this would have been my account, I will just come here. Okay, right now I'm using demo because I'm illustrating a strategy. But if you want to see live trading strategies, live trading sessions with me, please make sure you join our channel. Okay, so let me come here. We must recover this. Now I want to show you how costly a loss can become. But it is very nice you have incurred a loss so that you can see. That is usually say, test it out in demo first, all right? So I'll come here and put 110. Okay, and press save. Nice. Now, once you do that, now, this is what you do. Now, this is how you recover, all right? So you come here. Oh, guys, and you did not warn me. We did not press 8 when you were trading. We were trading under 5. That is why we incurred a lot. You see, these are the errors that most traders make. I did not even notice that. All right? So ensure you press 8 before you trade under 8. Press it. Go and press it. If you do not press it, you will incur a loss. Press it. As you can see, I've just made a mistake right now, and it has cost me. And it will cost me 11. So I'll just come here, and we must recover it. So I'll just wait for 9. So let me scroll. Oh, but now the market has changed. As you can see, okay, now it has gone to under 10. Okay, it is playing around 10. Okay, let us give it a minute. So you see, I've made a mistake right there. So ensure you press 8 before you trade under 8. Otherwise, you'll find yourself trading under 4, under 3, under 2, under 1, and it will be costly to you as a trader. All right? Yeah, that is a very silly mistake that I've just made, and it is very costly. So leave it. So as you can see in this market, 8 has gone to above 10%, and that is something that you have said should not happen. So you can either wait for it to go to beneath 10, or you can change. Okay, now it is at 10. Okay, let us see if it will go below 10. If it goes below 10, well and good. If it doesn't, we'll leave it alone. No forcing it. If you force it, you incur a loss. Okay? Right now it is at 10%. Let us give it a minute and see. Let us give it a minute. It is playing at 10. It's playing at 10. Okay, just leave it. That is very unfavorable. As you can see, even 9 is about. I want to show you the whole process. This thing is not easy. For those who say under 8, it is not easy. Especially if you are trading manually, it is not easy. With a bot, it's fine, but when you're trading manually, you have to be very cautious about this. If you're trading with a bot, once you see all those conditions have been satisfied, you don't have to wait for the 9 to appear. Just go to your bot, set it to 9, press under as you're observing. Once the percentage change, stop your bot and change to another market. Okay? And always use one tick. Okay? This is another good market, so we'll just wait for 9 to form. Okay, so as you can see, you have pressed 8. So we must use a stake of 110 because remember we incurred a loss because of our silly mistake. Alright, and we must recover it in a very smart manner. I repeat, in a very smart manner. So yeah, so I'll just remove this and then click save. Once you click save, now we wait. We play the waiting game. Now immediately 9 forms, we press under. So let us wait 9. Alright, 9 had formed by the time we were pressing under. Okay, as you can see, we have incurred a profit of 25.47, and we have been able to recover our small loss of $10. So you have to be very quick, you have to be very efficient when you're trading this. Okay, so another thing, okay, so the market has changed. So I hope you have all seen what I've done today. Okay, in this video I will not cut anything. I want to show you the whole raw process, how it is easy for a trader to make a mistake, how you can make a mistake without knowing. Ensure you press 8. Press it, otherwise you'll be trading under 5 without your knowledge. Alright, but that is basically how you trade under 8 using a phone, very easily, very efficiently, and very, very nicely. If you have any question pertaining this, please put it down in the comment section and I will answer you. And if you need classes again, or if you need materials, come to me. I'll give I'll give them to you very, very affordably to avoid you spending large sums of money for these products. Okay. Otherwise, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Keep trading, keep pushing, guys, and let us meet in the next one. Thank you.